If you're looking to add non-traditional assets to your IRA for stability, you're probably thinking about securing your retirement and minimizing risk. As the market shifts and inflation continues to impact traditional investments, diversifying with alternatives like gold, real estate, or even private equity could be a smart move to protect your wealth. But you might be wondering, how do you actually go about adding these assets? And why should you consider them over more conventional options? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you and show you exactly how you can add non-traditional assets to your IRA for more stability and why a gold IRA could be your best bet. Before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, be sure to check out the first link in the description. It's a free guide that thousands of Americans have used to secure their savings with gold IRAs. Now, let's dive into how you can stabilize your retirement. When it comes to diversifying your IRA with non-traditional assets, there's one key thing to keep in mind. Not all assets are created equal, and they're not all easy to add to an IRA. But don't worry, adding these assets is possible, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. Gold is one of the most popular alternatives. It's a time-tested hedge against inflation, and adding it to your IRA doesn't require you to hold physical gold. It can be done through a gold IRA. Gold IRAs allow you to invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals. By adding gold to your retirement plan, you're not only protecting your wealth against economic downturns, but you're also creating a foundation for long-term growth. But gold isn't the only option. Real estate is another non-traditional asset that's been gaining traction. With real estate, you have a tangible asset that can provide consistent returns, especially in a well-managed rental property. The downside, though, is that not all types of real estate can be added to an IRA. What you can do is invest in real estate through a self-directed IRA, which allows for more flexibility in terms of investment choices. With the right guidance, you could even invest in commercial properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Another alternative is private equity. This includes investments in startups, private companies, and venture capital. Private equity can offer substantial returns, but it's also riskier and less liquid than traditional investments. While you can invest in private equity through a self-directed IRA, it's important to do your research and ensure that you're working with a trusted custodian to facilitate the process. Now, some of you might be wondering, why not just stick with stocks, bonds, and mutual funds? Well, here's the thing. These traditional investments are subject to the volatility of the stock market. In uncertain times, your retirement can take a hit, and it can be hard to recover. Non-traditional assets, like gold and real estate, tend to hold their value better, especially during economic instability. And this is where gold IRAs really shine. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold holds intrinsic value. It's a tangible asset that's less prone to market fluctuations. So, if you're looking for stability, gold is one of the best options for your IRA. But if you're thinking about diversifying further, consider adding other non-traditional assets like real estate and private equity as well. Now, if you're ready to take control of your retirement, it's time to consider a gold IRA or a self-directed IRA. If you're wondering how to get started, the process is simpler than you think. The first step is finding a reputable gold IRA custodian, someone who specializes in precious metals and has a solid track record of helping clients like you. Once you've chosen a custodian, you can set up your account and begin transferring your existing IRA or 401k funds. You don't have to make all your investments at once. You can start with a portion of your savings and then add more as you feel comfortable. But what's important is that you take action now to secure your wealth. If you're ready to get started with a gold IRA, be sure to grab your free guide from the link in the description. It's packed with valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions about your retirement. And if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, this guide is perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips on securing your wealth in these uncertain times, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today.